Welcome to my channel to watch more creative videos on natural language processing using Python. I had done a lot of videos on natural language processing, but this video is something what I was imagining. So this is the video best of best natural language processing. So if anybody wants to study Python machine learning using natural language processing, this video should be watched and this video should be done. So up till now I have done a lot of videos on natural language processing, that is conversion from speech to text is covered in this video, then conversion from text to speech and vice versa also covered in this video, then conversion of text to audio is also covered in this video, then speech recognition is covered in this video. So I have done a lot of videos, but this video is something unique, really unique. So today's video is about language translation in Hindi, Marathi, English. So let us go through the program code. It is done using streamlit. This is all about thing. Now I will execute the program. Yes, a nice screen is displayed in front of you. Very nice. So here I have enlarged the screen. Fine. Now home, you will see here comprehensive check. So this is the written in English, Afrikaans. So I will convert it in Marathi. See what happens. Changes to text Marathi. Then I will cover in this English. Yes, fine. Yes, it is gone in English. So next part, language translation, text language translation, very important. Now I will take yes, it's English. Now enter the text in English. Sanjay, I will write here Marathi.
Sanjay. Sanjay.
Marathi. Sanjay Mahajan YouTube channel is popular in Pune. See what happens.
संजय महाजन यूट्यूब चॅनेल पुणे मध्ये लोकप्रिय आहे.
Yes, I have done it. Now I will take in Hindi. See what happens.
संजय महाजन यूट्यूब चैनल पुणे में लोकप्रिय है.
Yes, fine. Now voice language translation. Now here English. Sorry. English language target Marathi. Now Sanjay Mahajan is doing good program in machine learning using natural language processing using Python.
संजय महाजन पायथनचा वापर करून नैसर्गिक भाषा प्रक्रिया वापरून मशीन लर्निंग मध्ये चांगला प्रोग्राम करीत आहे.
Hindi. Sanjay Mahajan YouTube channel is very becoming popular in Pune.
संजय महाजन यूट्यूब चैनल पुणे में बहुत लोकप्रिय हो रहा है.
So I successfully done with language translation in Hindi, Marathi and English. A very different style video, a very important video. Those who want to become NLP programmer, that is very important. I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on natural language processing, face recognition, face detection, age and gender class, attendance system. Lot of videos I done attendance system. Then Keras, TensorFlow, CNN, and if possible Node.js, React.js, Postman and this thing. And so keep watching my interesting and creative videos on youtubechannel.com. Also thanks to Dikshit sir who helped me a lot for this video. Thank you.